Friends, we are now in part 7 video. In part 7 video, we are going to continue the exercise 1.2 from 6th question onwards. Exercise 1.2 from 6th question onwards, we are going to start now. Clear students? So far in up to part 6 video, we have completed 5 problems. Now we are going to start with 6th question. Now see the question. Verify the distributive property A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C for the rational numbers A equal to minus 1 by 2, B equal to 2 by 3, C equal to minus 5 by 6. Clear? Students, in 6th question, they itself have given the property, distributive property formula they itself have given. See what is that? A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A plus C. I have told you distributive formula means it is distributing the values. See, A into B, first they have written in between plus, so plus A into C. Clear? Students, I have told you many times the term which is in the left side of you, which is the left hand side. So in short form, I have written LHS. So LHS means first we are going to take this part separately and we are going to prove. Here, after finding the answer for LHS, next we will take the RHS part and we will find this answer for that. Then you have to compare if whether this left hand side answer and the right hand side answer you are getting same, you are going to compare. Clear? Clear all of you? This left hand side we are taking as LHS, the right hand side part we are taking as RHS. Clear? We are going to do separately. Now you see I have taken the LHS part separately and I have written LHS. A into B plus C. First I am going to prove only the LHS part. Now you forgot about the RHS part. Clear? A value is what they have given in the question? Minus 1 by 2 into B value is 2 by 3. In between plus sign. C value is minus 5 by 6. Students, next step we will see minus 1 by 2 into, if you see both the denominators are different. So both the denominators are different means what? We have to go for LCM or else we can do the cross multiplication I have told you. Isn't it? Here 3 and 6 we can take LCM itself. It will come very easy answer only. So 3 1 times, 6 how many times? 2 times. Again we will try with 2 table, we will get 1 1. So the answer for 3 into 2 is 6. So now the LCM for 3 and 6 is 6. Clear? So in 3 how many times it will we are get 6? 2 times. So multiply that 2 to the numerator and as well as to the denominator. Clear? 2 into 2, 3 into 2. Clear? Here at a time we are getting plus and minus. I have told you many times for one number you have to have only one sign. Either it should be positive or either it should be negative. But we should not suppose to get two signs. So now what we are going to do is, see minus into plus is what? Minus. Clear? Our LCM is 6. Already we are having denominator 6. So it is enough if you multiply with 1. So 5 into 1 divided by 6 into 1. Clear? Minus, next step, minus 1 by 2 into 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 2s are 6 minus 5 1s are 5 divided by 6 1s are 6. Clear? Now you see the denominator has become 6 6. So now we can do easily. So next step, minus 1 by 2 into, right, one denominator as 6 6. Numerator what we are having? 4 minus 5. Clear all of you? Here minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 5 is what? 4 minus. Here 4 we are having positive, for 5 we are having minus. So which means what? Plus minus is what? Minus. After subtracting we have to see the greater number sign. Okay, that you should not forget. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. Here greater number is 5. For that we are having minus sign. So write minus 1 by 6. Clear? Next step, if you see what I have written, I have written A into B plus C equal to what? Minus become there, minus become plus, and 6 to 6 are what? 12. Clear? Now we have got the value for LHS. LHS value is what? 1 divided by 12. Clear, students, all of you? The same value you have to get for RHS part. That in this part also you have to get the same value 1 divided by 12. Okay? Clear, all of you? Shall we start now the RHS? Remind RHS left right hand side. Right hand side. Right, what is the first letter? R. And means your and. This and H. Side. So only we are written R, S. Right hand side. Clear? Now we are taking the right hand side. A into B plus A into C is equal to, A value is what? Minus 1 by 2 into B value is what? 2 by 3 plus A value is what? Minus 1 by 2 into C value is what? Minus 5 by 6. Clear, all of you? Next step, since we are having multiplication, we have to see anything is getting cancelled. See here 2 and this 2 are getting cancelled. So we can cancel now. Okay, I will show you now after cancelling. See, I have cancelled 2. Then what is remaining left here? Minus 1 by 3. 2 1 times, here also 2 1 times. So minus 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. Plus, here nothing is getting cancelled. So you have to just multiply. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into 5 is 5. 2 into 6 is 12. Clear? Now in middle what sign we are having? Plus. So plus means surely your denominator should be same, only then we can add the rational numbers, isn't it? Now you see here 3 and 12 is having. So what we have to do now? We have to take the LCM for 3 and 12. See, I have taken LCM for 3 and 12. 3 how many times? 1 times. 12 how many times? 4 times. 2, 1, 2 2s are. Again 2, 1 comma 1. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Our LCM is 12. Okay, to make the denominator 12, with 3 what number you will multiply? Very good, 4 you will multiply. So you have to multiply the 4 to the numerator and as well as to the denominator. Clear? Minus 1 into 4 divided by 3 into 4. Plus, here already we are having 12. Our LCM is 12, already we are having 12. So it is enough if you multiply with 1. 5 into 1 divided by 12 into 1. 1 into 4 is 4, but minus sign you have to write minus sign. Clear? Divided by 12. Students, one thing we have to keep always in the mind is, for multiplication you should not see the greater number sign. Only for addition and subtraction you have to see the greater number sign. Clear? 1 4s are 4 minus 4 3 4s are 12 plus 5 1s are 5 divided by 12. Now you see here also 12, here also 12. So now easily we can simplify. So write 1 12 to the denominator. What is numerator? Minus 4 plus 5. Okay, 5 is positive, 4 is in negative. So minus plus is what? Subtract. So 5 minus 4 is what? 1. So what? 1 divided by 10. 12 we are getting. Clear, all of you? So 5 minus 4 is 1. Denominator what we are having? 12. So 1 divided by 12 we have got the answer for RHS. Clear? Now see our LHS. What is the answer we have got? 1 divided by 12. For RHS, what the answer we have got? 1 divided by 12. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Clear? Therefore, we can write the last line ends verified. Clear? After this LHS equal to RHS, next line you have to write ends verified. Below you have to write. Since I don't have space, I have written here. Clear, students, all of you? Clear, all of you, the sixth problem? Next, we'll see the seventh question. Students, we are now in seventh question. See the question now. Evaluate 13 divided by 18 into minus 12 divided by 39 minus 8 by 9 into minus 3 by 4 plus minus 7 minus 9 divided by 63 divided by minus 36. Students, we have to evaluate. Evaluate means you have to bring the answer in the simplified form. Okay. Now shall we start the solution? Yes. See, 13 divided by 18 I am having. 12 divided by 39 I am having. First you have to see whether numerator and denominator is getting cancelled. And here also not getting cancelled. So you have to see whether it is getting cancelled in the cross. Clear? See, here 13 and 39 will go in same table. What table? 13 table it will go. In 13 table 13 one times. In 13 table 39 will come 3 times. So you cancel right here 1 and cancel here 3. Clear? Here 12 and 18 we are having. 12 and 18 if you cancel, both will go in 6 table. So in 6 table 12 how many times? 2 times. In 6 table 18 how many times? 3 times. Students, only in between multiply sign if you are having, you are able to cancel numerator and denominator. In the cross side also you can cancel. But in between if you are having plus or minus means you should not supposed to cancel in the cross. Clear? You have to do only the LCM or else you can do the cross multiplication. Clear? The next part what you have given, 8 divided by 9 into minus 3 by 4. You have to see this with both is not getting cancelled. Then you have to see in the cross. 4 and 8 will get cancelled. 4 how many times? 1 times. 8 how many times in 4 table? 2 times. Similarly 3 how many times in 3 table? 1 times. 9 3 times. Clear? The next part what they have given. The last part is minus 7 divided by minus 9. Clear? See here students. Here minus will get cancelled. I have told you many times. If numerator and denominator is having minus, we can cancel the minus. I have told you. Isn't it? See, in between we are having divide symbol. So next to 63 divided by minus 36. See students, for divide if the numerator part is in fraction and the denominator part is also in fraction means that when you are writing, the denominator part will become reciprocal. Reciprocal. See, I have cancelled minus. I have written 7 by 9. The divide symbol has now changed into multiply. Why? We are going to do the denominator part reciprocal. I have taught in exercise 1.1 itself this type. Isn't it? Now this minus 36 will go numerator. This 63 will come down. Clear? When the divide has changed into multiply, the new denominator part will go to numerator. Numerator part will come to denominator. That is called the reciprocal. Clear? Clear all of you? Now you see here in between minus sign we are having. So we should not suppose to cancel in the opposite. So now what we are going to do is we are going to take 9 and 3 LCM. Because our denominators are not same, we are going to take LCM for 9 and 3. See, I have got the LCM is 9. So here already we are having 9. It is enough if you multiply with 1 and 1. See, I have multiplied with 1 into 1 into 1. Then here see minus sign minus. Minus into minus is what? Plus. Here we are having 3, but we have to get LCM is 9, so we are having only 3. So what number you have to multiply to get 9? The same 3 you have to multiply. So this minus and minus has become positive. So 2 into 3, 3 into 3. Clear all of you? Plus next, now what is the step we have did? We have did reciprocal. Now now you see in between you are having multiply symbol. So you have to see anything is getting in the opposite. So now if you see 7 table, how many times 7 will come? 1 times. Similarly 63 in 7 table, how many times it will come? 9 times. Similarly next 9 and 36 will go in same table, 9 table. 9 table 9 1 times, 36 9 table is 4 times. Clear? We are having minus. So 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. 1 into 9 is 9. Clear, students, all of you? Now minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 9 into 1 is 9. 2 3s are 6 divided by 9 minus plus. See here, listen carefully. Plus minus means what? Minus 4 divided by 9. See, we are having all the denominators are 9. So I have told you, if you are having all the denominators are same, you can write one denominator. So now you write the numerator part. Minus 2 plus 6 minus 4. Clear? Here minus, here plus. So minus plus means what we have to do? We have to subtract and we have to see the greater number sign. So 6 minus 2 is what? 4. Here greater number is 6. For that we are having plus. So we are getting plus 4. Then this remaining minus 4 I have written. 4 minus 4 is what, students? 4 minus 4 is what? 0. So 0 divided by 9 is equal to 0. Any number which is divided by 0, it will be what? We will get the answer as 0. Now we have evaluated and the answer we have got here is 0. Clear, all of you? Clear, all of you, the 7th question. Next we will see the 8th question. Students, now we are going to see the 8th question. In 8th question, you are having two subdivision. See, I am doing here first subdivision. The same model, the second subdivision also. Clear? So, I am going to do the first subdivision and you are going to try the second subdivision for your homework. Clear? Now see how I am doing the first subdivision. The same order only I am going to do your homework also. Now see, now observe the question carefully. What we are having here? 2 by 3 into minus 5 divided by 12 plus minus 4 by 6 into minus 8 by 12 plus minus 1 by 4 into 2 by 3. See, students, totally how many terms we are having? This is one term, this is one term and that is one term. Isn't it? Totally first term, second term and this is the third term. Now you see which number is repeating again. See here 2 by 3 is repeating again. Anyway 2 by 3 is there. Yes, here we are having 2 by 3. So which means you have to write first this I have written. Then afterwards where this 2 by 3 coming? In third part we are coming. Third term. So write that next. Clear, all of you? Clear? First I am writing this part. Why means here also 2 by 3 I am having. There also I am having 2 by 3. So I am taking first this part I am writing. In between plus because I am having here plus. Then where I am getting 2 by 3? Here. So write that part. Clear, students, all of you? Then remaining part is this only, no. So write that remaining part also. Clear? How I have written up to this step? First part I have written and the last part also it having 2 by 3 that I have written here. The remaining part is this, so I have written here. Clear, all of you? Now you see which is equal to I have written. Isn't it? Now see, students, here 2 by 3 is coming, here also 2 by 3 is coming. So you are going to take the 2 by 3 commonly out. Clear? You are going to take 2 by 3 commonly out. So I have told you in distributive property. Isn't it? What is our distributive property? A into B plus C is equal to, distributive means what? A is distributing to B as well as to the C. So the answer will be what? A into B plus A into C. This is the distributive property rule. Isn't it? Now you see here A into B, A into C. So here also A coming, here also A coming. See here also 2 by 3 is coming, here also 2 by 3 is coming. See, if both where A is mean, A is commonly having mean. See, in the question what we have taken? We have taken A commonly out. Isn't it? The same thing only here also we are doing. 2 by 3 I have taken commonly out and I have written 2 by 3. Clear, students? Inside the bracket what? If I take this A went outside. Remaining is what? Left here B. In between plus sign here C. Similarly, you see here 2 by 3 went outside. Remaining will be inside what? Minus 5 by 12. Isn't it? Minus 5 by 12. Clear? Similarly, here this 2 by 3 is outside. Remaining here what we are having? Minus 1 by 4. That is our C. Right here minus 1 by 4. Now, in question they were saying using appropriate property. Okay, whatever the property you are going to do, you can do with that they were saying. But you have to write what property you have used. In this side you have to write. Clear? Now this is the property of distributive. So I have written the side distributive property, the property I have written. Clear students? Now up to this is over, isn't it? From the first two term, 2 by 3 is common, so we have taken 2 by 3 out. The remaining term here is minus 5 by 12. Here the remaining term is minus 1 by 4. I have written in the bracket. Then now we come to the third term. See, 4 by 6 into 8 by 12 we are having, isn't it? Now what I am going to do is I am cancelling 4 and 12 in 4 table. This will come one time, this will come 3 times. Similarly, I am cancelling 8 and 6 in 2 table. In 2 table 8 4 times, in 2 table 6 3 times. Clear all of you? Now afterwards what we are getting? Here also minus, here also minus. 1 into 4 is 4. See, I have written here 4. 3 3s are 9. I have written 4 divided by 9. Clear students, all of you are clear? Now we will see the next step. See, 2 by 3, the same 2 by 3 I have written down. Now next step, in between we are having minus. So if minus is there, then the denominator term should be same. But here we are not having same. What we have to do? Two choices we are having. What is the first choice? We can do LCM or else we can do cross multiplication. Isn't it? Here I have done LCM method. See, 12, 4, I have taken the LCM. So what we are getting? 12, 4, if we take LCM we are getting as 12. Clear? So here already we are having 12. You just multiply your numerator and denominator with 1. So minus 5 into 1 divided by 12 into 1. Clear all of you? In between minus sign, here also minus sign. 1 divided by 4. But here in 4, what number if you multiply will get 12. Because our LCM is 12. So 4 if you multiply with 3, you will get 12. So multiply here also denominator and as well as to the numerator. 1 into 3 divided by 4 into 3. The last term 4 by 9 we are writing as such. Clear? Now you see 5 ones are 5 divided by 12. 1 3s are 3 divided by 12. Now see in the next step how I have written minus 8 by 12. Listen how I have written. I have told you both the denominator we have got same means you write 1 12 then minus 5 minus 3 we are having. Minus means what? You have to add and we have to see the greater number sign. Here 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 divided by 12. Here greater number is what? 5. For that what sign we are having? Minus. So minus 8 divided by 12 is the answer. Clear all of you? So that I have written here minus 8 by 12. Plus this 4 by 9 I am writing. Now the next step I am multiplying 2 with 8. 2 8s are minus 16. 3 into 12 is 36. Then plus 4 by 9 I am writing. Clear students? Now you see in middle we are having plus sign. But we are not having the denominator same. If we are not having the denominator same, we have to do LCM or else we can do cross multiplication. Okay, since it is big number, I am taking the LCM. 36, 9. If I take LCM, I am getting the LCM as 36. So here already the denominator is 36. You just multiply with 1. See minus 16 into 1 divided by 36 into 1. Plus here 4 by 9 we are having. In 9 table, how many times 36 will come? 4 times, isn't it? So multiply to the numerator 4 and denominator with 4. So minus 16 into 1 is minus 16. Then here what? 36 into 1 is 36. Similarly 4 4s are what? 16. 9 4s are 36. Now what we are getting? So minus 16, I will write here, see, minus 16 divided by 36 we are having, plus 4 fours are 16 divided by 4 fours are 16 divided by 36 we are having. Both the denominators are same. So now we can write 136 and we can write minus 16 plus 16. What is the answer of minus 16 and plus 16? The answer is 0. So 0 divided by 36 is what? 0. So we have found the final answer is what? 0. Clear, student? The same steps you are going to apply for the 8th sum second subdivision. Clear? Don't skip any step. Clear all of you? You do step by step, surely you will get the correct answer. Next, we will see the 9th question. Students, now we are going to see the 9th question. Use commutative and distributive properties to simplify 4 by 5 into minus 3 by 8 minus 3 by 8 into 1 by 4 plus 19 by 20. Students, here they were asking us to use two properties. What is the first property? Commutative property we have to use and distributive property we have to use. Clear? First, since commutative is multiplication, so we will not consider that commutative property. We take only the distributive property. Clear? Now see, one more time I have written the question. After writing the question, see wherever you are having multiply in between. So here we are having multiply. So consider this as one term, one first term. Then plus after this term, any plus or minus is there means you have to consider the another as second term. Clear? In between minus sign is having, so this is the second term. Similarly, in between your plus is having, that is 19 divided by 20 is last term, third term. Clear? Clear all of you. This is the first term, this is the second term and this is the third term. Clear all of you? Now what I am going to do is, see the question all of you. Any number is repeated again? Any number is repeated? Yes. What number is that? Minus 3 by 8 here also it is coming. Minus 3 by 8 here also it is coming. So I am going to rewrite the question. What I am going to do is, multiplication I have told you many times. 2 fours are what? 8. 4 2s are what? 8. So multiplication, if you multiply with it, if reverse also you will get the same only. So what I am going to do is, minus 3 by 8 I have written into 4 by 5 I have written. Why means here minus 3 by 8 first they have given no. So I am making this also minus 3 by 8 in the first. Minus 3 by 8 into 4 by 5 minus in between minus 3 by 8 into 1 by 4 plus 19 by 20. Here why I have underlined means this is one term. This is one term and that is the one term. Clear? To make it clear, so I have underlined this is the first term, second term and third term. Now we are going to use distributive property. What is the distributive property formula? A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Students, carefully listen the distributive property. See this part, A into B plus A into C, that part they are given in the question. Clear? That part they are given in the question. How I am saying this part is given in the RHS part, they are given in the question. How means, see here A is A into B. Similarly here also A into C. Now you see here minus 3 by A into 4 by 5 minus 3 by 8 into 1 by 4. So here also minus 3 by 8, here also minus 3 by 8. Here also A, here also A. So the right hand side portion they are given in the question. So it is enough if you write the left hand side part alone. Clear? Now this part alone I am going to write the answer. Clear, students? Now here what? A into B plus C is the left hand side part. Now here also minus 3 by 8, here also minus 3 by 8 is there. So I am going to take 1 minus 3 by 8 common. Clear? That is our A. Clear? In bracket. See here minus 3 by 8 is outside. Now if this goes when, remaining is what? 4 by 5. So write that 4 by 5 inside. Clear? Next, this minus 3 by 8 is outside. So remaining is what? 1 by 4. So this minus is only for 3 by 8. This 1 by 4 is in positive only, no. So I have written plus 1 by 4. Clear? Plus 19 divided by 20 you have to write as such. Clear all of you students? The right hand side part we are given as question. Now we are writing the LHS part as the answer. Clear? Here minus 3 by 8, minus 3 by 8. So taking minus 3 by 8 commonly, remaining is 4 by 5. Then here remaining is minus 3 by 8 went outside. Remaining is plus 1 by 4. Then the last term is 19 divided by 20. Up to this all of you are clear? Clear? Next step what we are going to do is inside the bracket first we are going to simplify. See here in between plus sign. So we have to go for either, we have to see whether it is denominators are same. The denominators are different. So we have two options. One is a cross multiplication and another one is what? LCM. Here I am going to do the LCM, not cross multiplication I am going to do. See students, I have done the cross multiplication. 4 minus 3 by 8 you have to write as such. 4 4s are 16, 5 1s are 5 divided by 5 4s are 20. Cross multiplication I have told you many times, from right to left, left to right, then the denominator you have to multiply and you have to write. Then last term is plus 19 divided by 20. Now you see minus 3 by 8, 16 plus 5 is 21 divided by 20 plus 19 divided by 20. Here these two are in multiplication. So I am multiplying minus 3 into 21. Nothing is getting cancelled. So we are directly multiplying. Minus 3 into 21 is minus 63. 8 into 20 is 160. Now 19 divided by 20 I have written. In between we are having plus sign. But we are not having the denominator same. To make it same, here since all the numbers are big numbers, so I am going for LCM. See, 160, 20, if I take LCM, I am getting LCM is 160 only. So, here already I am having 160 in denominator. It is enough to multiply with 1 and 1 to numerator and denominator. Isn't it? In between plus sign, 19 divided by 20. In 20, how many times if you what number you multiply, you will get 160. 8. So multiply the 8 to the numerator and as well as to the denominator. Now what answer we are getting? Minus 63 divided by 160 plus 19 into 8 is what? 152 divided by 160. Clear all of you? Now here also 160, here also 160. So write only 160 minus 63 plus 152. Here minus 63 plus 152. Okay, if you subtract we are getting 89. Clear? Here plus and minus means you have to subtract. Now after subtracting you have to see the greater number sign. Here 152 is positive, so we are getting positive 89 divided by 120. Here students, all of you, this 9th question. Next you are going to get your assignment. With this our exercise 1.2 we have completed. Next part 8 video I will see you in the next new exercise. In part 7 you are going to do only one problem homework. See which problem, which is 8th question, second subdivision. In that part 8th question when I am teaching, by that time itself I told you, isn't it? 8th sum, first subdivision I am doing, the second subdivision you are going to do, I told you there, isn't it? Now this is the second subdivision. Now observe the question first carefully. What is the question they have given? 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 8 into minus 1 by 4 plus minus 3 by 5 into minus 1 by 4. You see where the same number is repeated again. Whether 2 by is repeated again? No. Minus 3 by 4 is repeated again? No. 3 by 8 is repeated? No. Minus 1 by 4 is repeated? Yes. Minus 1 by 4 is repeated. So, where it is repeated? Here. So, what you are going to do is, you are going to write this the full question. After writing full question, put equal to. After equal to, you write this as the first term. minus 3 by 5 into minus 1 by 4. Write that. Then what we are going to write? Next, this term we are going to write. After writing this bracket, put minus, you write this. Clear? Then after writing this, put plus. Then write this. Clear? Then from the first two terms, you are going to take minus 1 by 4 commonly out. Which means this is which appropriate property we are using here? Here we are using distributive property. Clear? The same we did in 8 questions, first subdivision. No? There also we have used distributive property. No? The same distributive property here also we are going to use. And after using distributive property, you have to take LCM and you have to simplify and you have to find the answer. Clear? Students, only one problem I am giving, so do it carefully. Clear all of you? Do it carefully. Maintain the homework note separately with good presentation. Similarly, you have to maintain your classwork. Write neatly your classwork. That is very, very important. In next part 8 video, I will teach you new exercise 1.3. Thank you, students.